Hi, I'm popping back on for part 2 of the Christmas sugar cookies, trying this recipe for the first time. I did attempt to use my cookie cutters, but I think perhaps I did not put enough of the flour on the surface and it was still too sticky. So, as you know, I had a backup. I showed you this yesterday. It's a Wilton cookie press. Coincidentally, one of my cookie pans is also Wilton brand, and I'm going to show you. This is from my Wilton pan. I'm going to see, make sure you can see that. And the other side, this is from another brand. And I'm not going to shoot anyone down, but my goodness, if this isn't an ad for Wilton, I don't know what is. We also use their pans actually for our homemade turkey stuffing, also known as turkey dressing. And they have served us for many, many years. And I recommend Wilton as a brand, absolutely. So what I'm doing is I'm going to pull out my older cookie sheet, which coincidentally is also Wilton brand, and put it in. Now I chose to drop it down because I'm so sorry for the banging. I chose to turn the temperature down from 400 to 350 because we're using a dark coated nonstick pan. I'm not using the parchment paper as per the recipe because of the cookie press instructions. They want it directly onto the pan. And obviously it's worked great. So I will now use the older Wilton pan that we have and see how it turns out. But so far, so good. Now, last night, I also took the time to make the icing for the cookies. I opted for a lighter green. Now, we're between Christmas and New Year's. I didn't need to go with the deep green, but I like this. I found it really cheery. And coincidentally, the other one is kind of like my top. So really happy with how this turned out. And we're going to look forward to decorating those. So I'll try and post a still shot of the cookies when they're complete, or a few of them. And that's it. So I just want to follow up and let you know that it's great. It's worked out wonderfully. I particularly love the cookie press. I think it makes it really easy. I absolutely will be using this moving forward. So I hope that you enjoy the rest of your evening. Thanks for checking back in to see how the recipe turned out. And I will post the cookie dough recipe, but I will adjust it to the 350 degrees. I'll just put a note in the bottom for the dark coated pans so that you're not burning the cookie dough for yourself. So enjoy your time, and I hope to see you again soon at Homemaker Habits. Thanks for being here with me.